Ever pondered about the ins and outs of becoming a full-stack web developer? In the dynamic landscape of modern technology, full-stack web development is a comprehensive approach to crafting web applications. A full-stack web developer is a versatile professional, proficient in both front-end and back-end technologies. They are the jack-of-all-trades in the web development realm, capable of handling every aspect of the development process. From conceptualizing and designing user interfaces to implementing server-side logic and managing databases, these developers bring web applications to life. They play a pivotal role in the digital realm, overseeing projects from inception to deployment, ensuring a seamless user experience. Their responsibilities often encompass both client-side and server-side development tasks. So, if you're intrigued by the power of creating fully functional and interactive web solutions, stay tuned. Dive deeper into the fascinating world of full-stack web development as we unravel its intricacies. What does it take to excel as a full-stack web developer? The answer lies in a diverse and comprehensive skill set that spans across various programming languages, frameworks, and technologies. This scene delves into the essential skills needed for full-stack web development. First and foremost, we have front-end technologies. Proficiency in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is crucial for creating visually appealing and interactive user interfaces. But it doesn't stop there. Familiarity with front-end frameworks such as React.js, Angular, or Vue.js can enhance your efficiency in building dynamic web applications. Next, we move on to back-end technologies. Mastery of server-side programming languages like Node.js, Python, or Ruby on Rails, along with their respective frameworks, is key. These languages and frameworks enable developers to implement business logic, manage databases, and handle server operations effectively. Speaking of databases, understanding database systems such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, or SQLite is a must. Efficient storage and retrieval of data hinge on these systems. Additionally, proficiency in database querying languages like SQL is a fundamental skill for data manipulation and management. In the collaborative world of web development, knowledge of version control systems is invaluable. Tools like Git allow developers to work together seamlessly, track changes, and manage code repositories effectively. This not only ensures project integrity, but also streamlines workflow. Now let's talk about APIs, or application programming interfaces. Experience in building and consuming APIs is another essential skill. APIs facilitate communication between different software systems, enabling the integration of third-party services and functionalities into web applications. Moving on, we have DevOps skills. Familiarity with DevOps practices and tools like Docker, Kubernetes, or Jenkins can be a game changer for a full-stack developer. These skills help streamline the deployment process, automate tasks, and ensure the scalability, reliability, and security of web applications. Finally, we come to problem-solving and critical thinking. These aren't just buzzwords. Strong problem-solving skills and the ability to think critically are vital for troubleshooting issues, optimizing performance, and implementing innovative solutions in web development projects. In summary, to excel as a full-stack web developer, one must master a range of skills. This includes front-end and back-end technologies, database management, version control systems, API building, and DevOps skills. Not to forget, problem-solving abilities and critical thinking are the glue that binds all these skills together. Equipped with these skills, a full-stack web developer is more than ready to conquer the digital world. Remember, in the realm of web development, continuous learning is the key. Stay curious, keep exploring, and you'll be on your way to becoming a proficient full-stack web developer. In the toolbox of a full-stack web developer, you'll find a wide range of instruments. Let's take a peek. First up, we have integrated development environments, or IDEs. These are powerful software suites that developers use to write, debug, and test their code. Popular IDEs include Visual Studio Code, Atom, and Sublime Text. These provide features like code completion, debugging tools, and built-in terminals, making the coding process smooth and efficient. Next, we have package managers. These are essential tools that help developers manage project dependencies and share software packages. Node Package Manager, or NPM and Yarn, are examples of such package managers. They allow developers to install, update, and use open-source packages, which can significantly speed up the development process and enhance productivity. Then there's version control systems, or VCS. Git is a widely used VCS that helps developers track changes to their code, collaborate with others, and manage code repositories. It's an essential tool for maintaining project integrity and streamlining workflows. Another key aspect of a full-stack developer's toolkit is the command line, or terminal. This text-based interface allows developers to interact directly with their computer's operating system. It's a powerful tool for executing commands, managing files, and running scripts. Moving on, we have web servers like Apache or Nginx, which serve as the backbone of any web application. They handle requests from web browsers and return the appropriate response, be it HTML pages, images, or error messages. And let's not forget about databases. SQL-based databases like MySQL or PostgreSQL and NoSQL databases like MongoDB are commonly used to store and retrieve data. APIs, short for Application Programming Interfaces, are also crucial. They allow different software systems to communicate and share data, enabling the integration of third-party services and functionalities into web applications. Last, but certainly not least, are testing tools. These include unit testing frameworks like Jest or Mocha, and end-to-end testing tools like Selenium or Cypress. These ensure that the web application functions as expected, helping to catch and fix bugs early in the development process. With the right tools at hand, creating dynamic web applications becomes a breeze. Why does full-stack web development matter in today's digital landscape? This is a question that many may ask, and the answer lies in the transformative power of this field. Full-stack web development is not just about coding or designing. It's about creating holistic digital experiences that are functional, interactive, and user-friendly. Imagine a world without full-stack web developers. We would be navigating through static web pages, unable to enjoy the dynamic, interactive experiences we have grown accustomed to. Online shopping, booking systems, social media platforms, these are all the fruits of full-stack web development. In the business realm, full-stack web development plays a pivotal role. It enables businesses to establish a robust online presence, reach a wider audience, and provide superior customer experiences. A full-stack developer can single-handedly manage all aspects of a web application, from the user interface to server operations, making them an invaluable asset to any organization. Moreover, full-stack web development drives digital innovation. With their wide-ranging skill set, full-stack developers can experiment with new technologies, frameworks, and tools, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the digital world. They play a key role in developing cutting-edge web applications that transform industries and redefine user experiences. Furthermore, full-stack web development promotes efficiency and productivity. By mastering both front-end and back-end technologies, full-stack developers can streamline the development process, reducing the need for multiple specialists. This not only speeds up project timelines, but also enhances communication and collaboration, leading to higher quality outcomes. And let's not forget the personal benefits. Full-stack web development opens up a world of opportunities for individuals seeking to break into the tech industry. It offers a diverse, challenging, and rewarding career path with the potential for continual learning and growth. In essence, full-stack web development serves as the backbone of the digital world. It's the engine that powers our online experiences, the catalyst for digital innovation, and the key to unlocking new opportunities in the digital age. As we wrap up our exploration of full-stack web development, let's revisit the key points. In the world of web development, full-stack web developers are the versatile professionals that oversee projects from conception to completion. They are the jacks of all trades, capable of handling front-end and back-end tasks, from crafting visually appealing user interfaces to managing complex server-side operations. The skills required for full-stack web development are as diverse as the role itself. On the front end, mastery of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, along with a good grasp of frameworks like React.js, Angular, or Vue.js, are vital. On the back end, proficiency in languages such as Node.js, Python, or Ruby on Rails is essential, enabling developers to implement business logic and manage server operations. But the skills don't stop there. A comprehensive understanding of database systems like MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, or SQLite, and querying languages like SQL is critical for efficient data management. Familiarity with version control tools like Git and experience in building and consuming APIs are key for seamless collaboration and integration of third-party services. Additionally, DevOps practices and tools, such as Docker, Kubernetes, or Jenkins, play a significant role in ensuring the scalability, reliability, and security of web applications. Moreover, problem-solving and critical thinking capabilities are the soft skills that help troubleshoot issues, optimize performance, and implement innovative solutions in web development projects. Full-stack web developers also leverage a myriad of tools and technologies. Integrated development environments like Visual Studio Code, Atom, or Sublime Text, for instance, aid in writing and debugging code. Package managers such as NPM or Yarn are employed for efficient project dependency management. Full-stack web development, with its comprehensive approach, holds a significant place in the digital realm. It empowers developers to create fully functional, interactive, and robust web solutions, contributing to an enhanced user experience and ultimately a more connected and interactive digital world. With a comprehensive understanding of full-stack web development, you're now ready to embark on your journey in this exciting field.